Layoffs have been a norm in the games industry the past 2 to 3 years, and it's scary. There's no point in pretending like it's not happening, right? Like we hear it everywhere. Studio closures, our friends, our colleagues being laid off, project cancellations. Like this is becoming a norm. And it sucks. It sucks to see it, right? We're hearing that there's going to be layoffs at Bungie. We hear there's going to be layoffs happening at Microsoft, as of this recording. And even Epic this year, right? Laying off reportedly about 1,000 people. That's a lot of talented people now out of jobs. So yeah, that's scary. What I've learned during this time is that stability is a lie, right? Like it's not, when you join this industry, stability, you need to be okay that you're joining an industry where stability doesn't really exist. No one's safe. No one's job is safe. And the question that you need to ask yourself is, are you okay with that? In the past 2 to 3 years, companies are restructuring, laying off people in departments that they feel they don't need anymore. They're cutting costs, canceling projects, and they're doing this to make sure that they hit their financial goals. Now, I'm genuinely a positive person, so I want to think about this positively. I still personally believe in making games and how that's important. I still enjoy making games. I still enjoy creating products for people to escape their reality when they need it. Going through this entire process, it's reminded me that I need to continue to learn and grow and never to stop working on that, even outside of work. Now, I don't have all the answers. This industry is so uncertain, but I think it's okay. I know it's okay to acknowledge that it is scary. Stay optimistic and don't give up on what it is that you want to do in this industry.